Hey guys, here we're just going to have a look at the CT15 HEPA. This is our entry-level vacuum cleaner. The big benefit of this is that we can fill the container capacity to 95%. So it means we use less bags but also really utilise the container capacity well. Inside the unit we've got a self-clean bag. The way the filter is designed, because it sits flat over there, means that we can fill this bag up. Okay, so when we have a look at that, this is the whole benefit of having a flat filter in there, that we've got the best utilisation of the container space as we can, which means you're using the total container and also spending less time changing bags, and also keeping a consistent extraction through using a self-clean bag.